It's cold out, and stroganoff is really good. So this is a very easy dish. We have in here beef top round and little strips. So you can have your butcher do this for you so it's easier. We put just a little canola oil in this. We get a really good sear. And we do not salt it. The reason why the salt pulls out the moisture, you get braised, you get a boil. So you want to really get a lot of color. And you see how that nice color is?
Wow.
And then at the very end, then I'm going to salt it. Okay? And then I'm going to take it out.
So you don't salt it before you brown it?
No, just this kind of methodology. So you don't want to get, you want to get that really, really brown first. And the salt will stop the browning. So into this gorgeous beef love here, we're going to add onions and mushrooms.
Oh, yeah.
They're inexpensive, the most inexpensive mushroom. Don't get a fancy mushroom for this dish.
You're doing it without the can, because you know the can really makes it super inexpensive with the cream of mushroom.
And then we're going to add a little bit of thyme, bay leaf, soy sauce.
Now, that's not a very traditional ingredient.
I love soy sauce.
To give it a good depth of flavor.
Whole mustard.
Good.
Our beautiful, gorgeous,
That's beautifully seared.
caramelized.
That looks great. Oh,
Top round strips. And then we're going to add this, which is just beef stock, unsalted. And then we're going to turn it down and simmer it, or put it in the oven. You can actually put this in the oven, I think I prefer, for about 2 to 3 hours until it's very, very tender. This has to cook really, really down low so it gets completely tender, because it's a tough cut of meat.
Yeah,
it's a braiser, it really is.
Braiser.
Okay, so it's going to look like this at the very end, and then we're going to finish it.
Jeez.
So we're going to add to this, we're going to do the finish. The finish is, of course, a little sour cream and a little cream cheese.
Oh, geez, luscious.
Extra creamy and rich.
So
Yeah,
what I'm
what
gonna do
is
is-
going on with your recipe?
I'm just going to put this in and get it. You want to put it all at once, it brings the temperature down too fast. I'm just going to get it nicely dissolved, and then we're going to add a little bit more. And if you want it a little less thick, you can add some water. Don't worry about it. But it really, what's great about this stroganoff is it keeps its flavor. And the next day it gets even better. Just egg noodles. I'm going to put the egg noodles just on the bottom of a bowl. And
Oh, yeah.
they can be room temperature or warm. It's going to heat it up. And then
Oh, man.
I'm going to take a little of my strog that is nice bubbling over here.
Oh, my goodness. Look
Okay.
at that.
You are such...
Kate, you can go
You're
ahead
a
and
gift.
pass that crock of
And
utensils
then
down
just
here.
a lot of fresh parsley. Really important. Here you are, love.
Yeah, that's,
I'm going right for this. Oh, look at that. That beef looks like it's falling apart.
Jeff, be a man, all right?
oh, sorry. That one's for America. Can't reach.
GG.
Jesus.
You like
Hey,
that?
I mean,
There's so much rich flavor going on in there. It's just the perfect beef stroganoff. I mean,
All
I think
right.
that this beats my 12-year